Hello, my name is Jim Seymour. I'm one of the co-founders at e-Blox. At e-Blox, we design and develop STEM, STEAM, and STREAM products that teach the fundamentals of electronics through fun construction toy sets that are all compatible with Legos. We have 3 different product lines: circuit blocks, power blocks, and story blocks. And in the following videos, we will go into details about each of these products, how they work, and how the different products within the line compare to each other. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to discuss the Circuit Blocks product line. Circuit Blocks is our STEM product line that teaches the fundamentals of STEM through creating electronic circuits with these types of parts that are Duplo-like parts that have pin connectors in them, so that when they plug together, they actually make an electrical connection, not just a mechanical one. And they are fully compatible with Legos, as they do plug into a Lego grid. So there are 7 different products in this line, from Circuit Builder 4 up through Circuit Builder 800, and the number actually represents the number of projects in the set. With Circuit Builder 4, you get about 10 pieces and a sheet that shows you how to build 4 different circuits. One of the circuits is the circuit where you spin the motor and launch the fan up in the air. There are 2 other circuits that light up a fiber tree and light up a heart. This is more of the fun-based set where they are mostly looking to get something to play with the fan and light up the components, because we just include a single sheet that show them how to do those 4 projects. As you go up in the line, you start to introduce a lot of education into the sets. With the Circuit Builder 59 project, now you have a manual that has 59 projects in it. And now you get the grid. The grid did not come in the Circuit Builder 4, but it does come in the Circuit Builder 59 that you can build upon. And in addition to getting the fan and motor and the fiber tree and heart, you also get a few more LEDs and a whistle, and a few more switches, so that as you're building through the set, you hook things up in different ways, serial versus parallel connections, and you start to learn about how that affects the circuits. That is our $20 retail 59 Circuit Builder 59 project. The Circuit Builder 4 was $10 retail. Moving up, these sets start to, for the most part, add components. When you get to the 115 set, it adds a speaker and a sound module that's on the bottom here, so that you can play music, have sirens, and make Space Wars sounds. Okay? It has 115 projects, and pretty much everything in the 59 is also in this set, except for a few components, the fiber tree being one of them that is not in the 115. As you move up to the 120 set, the 120 set has everything that's in the 115 set, plus an FM receiver. You can actually build a radio, okay, to listen to radio stations, adjust the volume, and select the channel. Scan up, scan down. So that's in our 120 project set, which is $40 retail. The 115 was $30 retail. As you move up to the $395, now this gets into a very educational set where it includes pretty much everything from the previous sets. And it includes 395 projects, and the parts that are added are components like resistors, transistors, capacitors, even photoresistors. For instance, you can build a set that's an alarm clock, where when it's dark, the alarm doesn't go off, and as the sunlight comes onto it, it goes off. That's one of the cute projects that's in the 395 set. So this becomes one of our very educational sets, with being able to teach RC circuits, oscillator circuits, and so forth by adding those extra components. And then the top of the line is the 800 project set. This adds a few more capacitors and resistors, a photoresistor, an inductor. Now you can actually build a circuit where you spin the windmill, and as it's spinning it just keeps going because the inductor creates a magnetic field, and when the magnets on the windmill hit it, it kicks it and it keeps it spinning. And there is one more set that I left to the end here. It's our Circuit Builder 72 set. And I left it to the end because it actually is, as opposed to these sets that kind of build upon each other, this set has a couple of unique things that aren't in any of the other sets. In the Circuit Builder 72, we have what's called the maze, where you have this hook that you try to go through the maze and not hit the sides, but I'm not very good at it. But some kids are good, and you try to get all the way through the maze and not hit the sides and have it beep at you. It also has a generator, so you can hook up a circuit where you turn it one way and the red lights up, you turn it the other way and the star and the blue lights up. So you start to learn about generators and other things in this set that these components are not in any other set. So if people have bought the other sets and come back and are looking for something new, the 72 is a good model to suggest.